Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word libelous. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The article published in the newspaper contained libelous statements about the politician, leading to a defamation lawsuit. Libelous refers to a statement in writing that is false and harmful to someone's reputation, potentially leading to a lawsuit for defamation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.